Okay guys, now it's time for the next tool. So again, let's place a camera in our level. Cine camera acture from here. Again here. Cinematic and camera crane. So I will show you how to use this crane. It's like into the Hollywood scenes, like how they're filming the movies with the big cranes which are attached to the cars on the platforms. So for example, we have this crane here. Okay, let's look at it. Here we have crane pitch, crane yaw. So let's see what is doing this crane pitch. It's moving up and down. Okay. And crane yaw, it's left and right. And crane arm length is to extend the length of this crane. Okay, perfect. And now what we can do, let's attach this camera to our crane, for example, the same way how we did it into the Recreo before. Okay, here, let's see. It's not necessary to be perfect to the crane. It will be on the place where when it's now, for example, and when we attach it, it will stay here, but we won't move, for example. Okay, I will place it like that. I want to be a little bit on the which is on the right side. Okay, so okay, now it's time to put it like a parent object here again. And now let's click on the camera crane, and here let's move it. And now you can see how is the view here from our camera. Okay, perfect. And we have also left or right. Okay, now what I want to do, I want our camera to follow again our Shelby. So let's click here on the cameras in a camera acture, here in details again, and this big acture, and to click on the Shelby and enable look at tracking. Now our camera will again follow the center of the Shelby. So now you can see how it's following the Shelby. Okay, it looks good. We have really nice animation. Of course, we can make all of these animations only with the keyframes and with the camera inside the sequencer. But when we have these tools, it's a little bit faster, and sometimes it looks better, and you don't have to place a lot of keyframes and to do it by yourself with your hands and to think where to place any keyframe to look like that. With these tools, everything happens faster and easier when you are in a delay or something like that. Okay, crane yellow here in our case it's not working, but we have this crown arm length. So I'm looking now here on the right center, so you can take a look here, guys, how it looks. Okay, you can make really nice animations with your camera from here. And again, clicking cinema camera acture, and to make it, it's not necessary to be DSLR. We can make it super 16 millimeters, or I don't know, let's see, IMAX 70 millimeters, something like that. And again, our camera recrane will work, but from this side of view. Okay, I will make it by default to DSLR because we are inside, and we'll move a bit this crane like that. And okay, of course, we can combine both of these tools inside by placing and clicking on this and placing the camera recreo, of course. Okay, our crane is still here, but now we have the recreo, and we can add, of course, a second camera inside our level. It's not forbidden to add second camera, guys. You can do it, or it's up to you. You can use 2 cameras, 3 or 4 cameras. It's totally up to you, or just to use 1 camera and to make different sequencers. Okay, what is the sequencer? I will tell you in the next lectures. It's important to know it, and I will show you exactly how to deal with the settings inside the sequencer and how to make keyframes animations of objects, because we will use it. See you.